Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you how I myself was able to fix Zepto wallet option not showing. So if you're currently also having that exact same problem and you want to be able to fix it, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So actually what I did myself firstly was that I exited my Zepto app and instead we're going to go into our settings app. So open up the settings app on your phone. And now what you're going to do in here is to just scroll down and click on general. Scroll down in here and click on storage. And I know that some of you will of course have an Android phone. And don't worry, because if you do have an Android phone, what you're going to do is very simple. Also open up settings on your Android and then find the storage option on your Android, because it's going to be the exact same step-by-step guide even if you have an iPhone or Android after that. So what you're going to do now is to just simply scroll down and find the Zepto wallet app, or the Zepto app rather. So I'm just going to scroll down in here until I can actually find the app. So just a second. Here it is, as you can see. So find the Zepto app in here and click on it, because now what you're going to do on this page is to just simply click on Offload app. And then once again, you're going to click on Offload app in here and you're going to just wait a couple of seconds. And as you can see where it says reinstall app, just click there, because what will happen now is that you will now automatically get the absolute latest version for your Zepto app. And that's something that you need to be able to have to be able to fix this issue with wallet option not showing on your Zepto app. So as you can see, when it says upload app once again, that means that our app is now actually updated to the newest version. So what you're going to do now is to go back into your Zepto app and try once again. And hopefully now this is fixed for you.